Welcome to the exam sale video series. Today we will be discussing the Dell VMAX 3 Solutions and Design Specialist exam for technology architects. This exam is designed to test your skills in designing and implementing VMAX 3 solutions. Let's start by understanding the exam format and the various domains it covers. The Dell VMAX 3 Solutions and Design Specialist exam for technology architects is divided into 5 domains, each with a specific weightage. The first domain, VNX block storage configuration, carries a weightage of 25%. The second domain, VNX file storage configuration, also carries a weightage of 25%. The third domain, VNX local and remote replication, again has a weightage of 25%. The fourth domain, VNX hardware and software, has a weightage of 15%. And the last domain, VNX performance and monitoring, carries a weightage of 10%. The first domain, VNX block storage configuration, focuses on configuring and managing block-level storage resources and host connectivity. You will learn how to provision and manage block storage, including creating and managing LUNs, configuring LUN expansion and migration, implementing storage tiering and FastVP, and managing private and public LUNs. In the block storage configuration domain, you will also learn how to configure fiber channel, FC connectivity and zoning, implement ISCSI networking and port configuration, and configure FCOE connectivity for VNX systems. You will also understand how to register hosts and manage storage groups, implement host agent and CLI registration methods, manage ALUA and multipathing configurations, and troubleshoot connectivity using Unisphere and Navisically. Moving on to the second domain, VNX file storage configuration, you will learn how to set up data movers, file systems, and network protocols for file-based access. You will understand how to configure data mover interfaces and routes, implement Ether channel and LACT link aggregation, and configure virtual data movers, VDM, for isolation. In the file storage configuration domain, you will also learn how to manage DNS, NIS, and LDAP integration, configure VLAN tagging and failover devices, and manage data mover boot parameters and status. You will also understand how to create and extend VNX file systems, implement NFS exports and access controls, configure CIFS SMB shares and AD integration, manage file system quotas, and implement file-level deduplication and compression. The third domain, VNX local and remote replication, focuses on implementing data protection strategies using VNX native replication tools. You will learn how to configure VNX snapshots for block and file, implement SnapView snapshot and clone operations, and manage reserved LUN pools for replication tasks. In the local and remote replication domain, you will also learn how to establish point-in-time, PIT, recovery points, configure consistency groups for multi-LUN protection, execute recovery and restoration from snapshots, and compare VNX snapshot and SnapView technologies. You will also understand how to implement MirrorView A and MirrorView S for block, configure VNX replicator for file-based data, and manage replication sessions and synchronization states.